So the dynamics of search engine optimization have changed significantly. Now you need to optimize for the focus keywords. SEO is not about finding one keyword and start stuffing that particular keyword everywhere possible. Yes, it is a common practice to pick one focus keyword and use it in the main on page elements such as title tag, headings, text of the body, and the anchor text. It does not mean that you should not use other keywords and that you cannot rank for other keywords with your piece of content. Focus keyword just help you to focus your content on a particular topic. So let me get into more details. So here you can see focus keywords optimization. Red labeled is important and this gray labeled is less important. Where to place the focus keyword on the page? Title tag. This should be your focused page should be here on the title tag, and this is important. And in description it is important, but it has less significance when compared with the title tagging. So let's move forward. If your focus URL is not in your URL website URL, it might not hurt you a lot, but it has to be there in the heading. It has to be there. Your focus keyword has to be there in your body. And again, I'm telling you that focus keyword is the keyword which you want to rank on search engine. Image name. So here you can see that image name alt text should be there. It is less important, but it has to be there. Your focus keyword has to be there. And in the subheading you can plug the focus keyword, and anchor text should be used as focus keyword. So here you can see that SEO metrics. And what is anchor text? We discussed it earlier as well, that if you link a particular word or terminology on your web page, and if you link it internally or externally, it is labeled as anchor text. So these are the focused areas where you need to put the focus keywords. When it comes to keyword optimization, there is one simple rule: don't force it. Don't force your keyword to be there on the Google search engine. If you force it, you will be doing spamming. So avoid spam activities, and your keyword will be optimized as per the system, as per the algorithm. Don't force it to be in the Google search engine. So Google understand that running shoes cheap running shoes and cheap shoes for running means the same. So these are the three different keywords: running shoes, cheap running shoes, and cheap shoes for running. So people are searching different keywords, and Google knows that all are the same. So relax and don't stuff your page with the same phrase over and over again just because it is your focus keyword. So this is what we want to say, that don't force it. So this is all about don't force it methodology. So title tag and meta description. So it is best practice to use the focus keywords in the title of your page. Think about your potential visitors. If they look for homemade ice cream, they probably expect this keyword to show up in the title of the website. So the same applies to meta description. Just remember that Google may replace your meta description with the random text from your page if it finds it more appropriate for the user. Alright. So heading and subheadings. For H1 heading, you can use the same words in the title tag. It is actually a common practice. Although you are not limited with the length here so much. It is good to strategically use other targeted keywords or the synonyms in related phrases in other heading H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 too, but it's totally fine if you don't. So image, file name, and alt text. Google images make up to 23% of the search engine market shares more. It is more than YouTube, Bing, Yahoo, Facebook, and Amazon together. So you can sense the importance of Google images. That means huge potential traffic. That is the reason why you need to add an alt text to every informative image on your website. Just label your images, the important images of your website, with an alt text. It will help you in appearing Google images area, and that way your page will be optimized in the search query, and you will get traffic through SEO.